Okay, fine. So we see that these metals have luster, means there is a shine. Correct. In any metal you see, it's like copper, gold, silver, iron metal, they will shine. Correct. Because there are a lot of electrons on the top, which are continuously moving, which gives them the shine. Okay. And then we saw about ductility, means what? It's the tendency to be drawn into wires, right? Just like our copper wire is there in the electric board. Hmm. In this wire also, right? This also, correct. Metals are there inside, which could be drawn into a wire, which would conduct
सर
electricity.
रुको ना एक सेकेंड.
Okay. So metals are ductile, that is, they can be drawn into thin wires. That's the property we have seen. हो गया क्या लिख के, मतलब स्क्रीनशॉट निकाल के करो फटाफट.
मैं take a screenshot just.
Okay, done now. And next we had seen about was density. What we had seen in density? The metals have high density. Why they have high density?
That is because they are packed. They are packed
Particles
together.
are
They have high intermolecular force and low intermolecular space.
Yeah, very good. So intermolecular, high intermolecular force means they are tightly packed. Force of attraction is very high, correct? And distance between them is very, very less. So when I am talking about less distance, does that mean there is no distance between them?
no, sir. There will be some distance left.
So there will always be
Then
distance.
just like
There
you are
will
able
be
to see in
distance.
that bottom diagram, in this bottom diagram, right? You are able to see those triangles in between.
Yes, only you, this much space is left between.
That
Ah.
only.
But space will be there, right? Because all of them are circular, right? And if you join 2 or 3 circular things together, what happens? Some space will remain.
Yes, sir.
And they are not cubes. If I'm joining
Yes.
cubes, there's a probability that some space may not remain. But these are all what circular, right? Because of which,
Yes, sir.
correct now,
Sir, how can they not be like square?
they
Like
cannot
some
be.
might be square.
No. These particles,
Atoms.
atoms, they are like spherical. They are spherical in shape. They are not square in shape.
Okay, sir.
Okay. No, they cannot be square in shape, right? Getting my point?
They are naturally circle.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Just like someone, if someone comes and say, "Oh, Dipanshu's face is square in shape," you know. So what will you tell, Dipanshu? Why
Sir,
it's
if
square?
they were
Natural.
square, then sir, if they were square, then we would not be able to break them only, na? No space would be left between them only. We
Right.
would not be able to break it only.
Exactly correct.
It's
So yes, Dipanshu, I am asking you. If someone says that, oh, Dipanshu's face is not square, how can it not be square? It should be square. What you will say?
it's natural.
It's natural. Right? So similarly here also, it's natural. Okay. Fine. Yes. So let's move ahead. Next, we have the conductor of heat and electricity. So we had seen that metals are good conductor of heat and electricity that allows heat and electricity to pass through it. For example, gold, copper, silver, and iron. Right? They are allowing the heat to easily pass. Why they pass through? Because electrons are there, free electrons are there, which could pass through them. Okay. This will allow the electricity to pass through. That we had seen. So both good conductors of heat as well as electricity. Some exception I had told you. Remember? Who is not a good
Sir,
conductor?
the lead is not a conductor of heat and electricity, and in density, sodium, potassium, and lithium metals have density less than water.
Very good, correct. तो कंडक्टर में कौन नहीं है अच्छा? लेड. इट्स नाइदर अ गुड कंडक्टर
Lead.
बैड कंडक्टर. ठीक है. ओके. अनयन अयान. अनयन अयान.
What happened, sir?
Why are you looking so disturbed?
Sir, I was killing the mosquitoes.
You should not kill them.
Sir, they were troubling us. Sir. They were biting me.
Okay. You can push them away.
सर गोल्ड सबसे ज्यादा गुड गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट होता है क्या?
Yes.
Correct. Good.
तो फिर उसका पॉलिश चला जाएगा ना?
कैसे चलेगा पॉलिश? It's naturally like that ना. Natural पॉलिश उसका. गोल्ड को कुछ नहीं करना पड़ता. आप कुछ ये डुप्लीकेट कुछ इस्तेमाल करोगे तो उसको चमकाना पड़ेगा, लेकिन गोल्ड को कुछ नहीं करना पड़ता हमको. Right. Gold is always gold.
Sorry, did you say gold is a girl or gold is a gold?
Gold is gold.
Gold is neuter gender.
Gold
Okay.
is gold.
Okay, coming back to topic. ठीक है. Don't focus on here. Ayan, focus here.
Okay, sir.
You are more focused on mosquitoes. After the lecture, if I ask you what you learned, you say you tell how to kill mosquitoes. I've learned that in lecture. है ना? अने किससे बात कर रहे हो? कब से इधर उधर बात कर रहे हो?
सर नहीं, वो मेरे वो
Sir, he is
मेरी
an
sibling.
attention seeker.
हाँ.
What?
Sir, he is an attention seeker. He always wants
Yes.
everybody's attention on his video.
No.
Okay, fine. Okay,
My
Deepak.
mother and Anvi was talking, so I was telling them to be quiet.
Okay, fine. अने ठीक है. Yes. So, which is a exception? Lead is neither a good conductor, neither a good conductor of electricity nor that of a heat. Okay. Malleability कुछ के लिए कुछ था क्या? Exception.
Sir, we have done.
No exception for malleability. Ductility कुछ के लिए कुछ exception था? No.
No, sir.
No.
No, sir. All
Density
can
के लिए
be
क्या
done.
था?
All are ductile.
डेंसिटी के लिए लिथियम का डेंसिटी पानी से भी कम है. समझ में आ रही है मेरी बात?
Sodium,
Yes, sir.
potassium, and lithium.
हाँ, इनका डेंसिटी
Sodium and potassium have more than water. Lithium is less
Yes.
than water.
Yes, only lithium is less.
Sodium, potassium also have less than water. Okay, they also have less than water.
Said that sodium and potassium have more than water. That's
Where you study?
Listen to sir na.
They have less than. Okay. So yes, they have low density than the water, right? And luster, any exception was there? Everyone will be lustrous. Okay.
No, sir.
Sir, iron.
Iron.
is less.
It's lustrous, no? Iron is lustrous. Okay.
Yes. All of them.
Just like ions. Yeah, iron is lustrous. Very good. Yes. Now let's move on to next topic. Yes.
Sir,
Right.
is mercury lustrous?
Yes.
Sir,
हाँ, लिखो अगला टॉपिक लिखो. Write down next
sir,
topic.
is
Sonority.
Sonorous.
Sonority. Write it down. लिख लिया सबने टॉपिक? बोलो पलाश, क्या बोलना है तुमको?
sir, is mercury lustrous?
Yes, it is lustrous. Mercury is lustrous. Okay. Getting a point? So mercury is what? Mercury is lustrous. Okay. Now we are seeing that sonority property. Sonority मतलब means what? है ना, आपका स्कूल जाते हो तो सबसे अच्छा मोमेंट कब रहता है? सबसे ज्यादा मजा आता है स्कूल में.
Sir, when the bell rings to go home.
Yeah, correct.
Lunch break. Lunch break.
Recess जब होता है तो.
Oh, sir, when
Lunch
the bell
break. When the bell rings and we go home. And
the best thing ever.
Yes. So best moment is that when the bell rings. Correct? Tang 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 tang. That is the happiest
नहीं
moment.
सर, हर पीरियड के बाद भी बेल रिंग होती है ना.
हाँ तो वही बोल रहा हूँ मैं. तो हर पीरियड के बाद भी अच्छा लगता है आपको. खत्म हो गया एक बार का.
We have a different bell after school. Last period we have
Yeah.
a different.
Okay, whatever
But
is there.
I like it better when there is
Fine.
recess time.
Okay, whatever. So I was telling that this is the happiest moment, and which is the sad moment when the lecture begins. Correct, na? चालू हो गया. Correct.
Sir.
और
Sir,
सबसे-
only when there is a lot of writing on the board.
Yeah.
जब बेल बजते पीटी के लिए
हाँ, पीटी के लिए जब फुटबॉल खेलने मिलता है,
फिजिकल ट्रीटमेंट
है ना? फुटबॉल खेलने मिलता है तब फ्री
Physical
लेक्चर.
treatment?
आप
Sounds
लोग
like some physical
अरे
punishment.
ट्रेनिंग नॉट ट्रीटमेंट.
आप लोग सुधरने वाले नहीं हो. लातों के भूत बातों से नहीं मानते. लेकिन सामने यदि सब लोग होते तो सबको लाते जरूर पड़ती. ठीक है. आप करते रहो चैट, और खासकर 4-5 लोगों को तो खास लात मिलती है ना. पता है किसको. ठीक है. मैं जब 4th स्टैंडर्ड में था, आपको पता नहीं, 4th स्टैंडर्ड में जब था मैं, तो हमारे सर हमको केन, पता है सबको केन? केन क्या होता है? केन. करेक्ट. हॉकी स्टिक पता है? हॉकी स्टिक. हॉकी स्टिक और बेसबॉल बैट पता होगा आपको, राइट? सो व्हेन वी वर इन आवर स्कूल इन 4th स्टैंडर्ड, एनीथिंग रॉन्ग वी डू इन क्लास, करेक्ट, our sir used to call us. His name was Mr. Massey. Correct. He was a tall guy with spectacles on. ऐसे बाल थे उसके, ऐसे बाल थे, और हाथ में छड़ी लेके घूमता था वो बंदा, है ना? तो वो कुछ गड़बड़ कर दिया क्लास में, करेक्ट, आगे बुलाएगा वो, कम हियर, कम हियर, आगे बुलाएगा और आपको उल्टा खड़ा करा था. उल्टा, यू हैव टू फेस इन द बोर्ड, और आपके हाथ में, उसके हाथ में ये होता था छड़ी, है ना? और कहाँ मारेगा? हाथ पे नहीं, है ना, पीछे मारेगा, पीछे. करेक्ट, राइट. एंड ही विल हिट सो हार्ड. जितना मस्ती किया, कभी कभी 2, कभी कभी 3 ऐसा पड़ेगा, राइट? सो फॉर 2-3 days यू कैन नॉट सिट नाउ बिकॉज इट वॉज सो डेंजर, है ना? सो हार्शली इट वॉज हिट. That was the punishment, right? And even girls, they were also not spared. They were also given same treatment, right? Okay. तो आप लोगों को तो वैसा कुछ नहीं है ना? ऑनलाइन में बैठते हो, करेक्ट, ऑनलाइन में बैठते हो स्क्रीन के सामने, वीडियो बंद करके क्या चल रहा है आप नहीं चाहिए, किसके साथ बातें करते रहते हो. Ayan is saying children is banned, hitting children, इसलिए तो बिगड़ते जा रहे हैं सब लोग, है कि नहीं? इट इज लाइक चाइल्ड लेबर. ओके, बच्चों को नहीं ये कर रहे इसलिए बच्चे बिगड़ते जा रहे हैं, है कि नहीं? उसका डिसएडवांटेज ले रहे वो रूल का, है ना? टेकिंग डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ दैट रूल, राइट? पर्सनली स्पीकिंग, आई हैव अंडरगोन दैट, दैट्स व्हाई आई कुड डिसिप्लिन माई सेल्फ, राइट? करेक्ट ना? इफ यू वांट टू बिकम डिसिप्लिन्ड पर्सन इन लाइफ, then you have to get punishment, and when you receive punishment you reform, you become more strong person, correct? But if you don't get punishment only, then you remain like that only, like child, correct? But when punishment we get, we understand our mistake and then we don't commit the mistake again. That's why punishment was given, right? But parents complain. Yeah. Okay, fine. Our parents have the right to hit us. Okay, hitting is not a good thing actually. You should not be using hands or something. लेकिन स्कूल वगैरह में वो इट शुड बी, ताकि सबक सिखाना चाहिए तुम ना बदमाशों को, इसलिए वो थोड़ा ज़रूरी होता है. अब आजकल के ज़माने में बैंड हो गया, वो नहीं चलता है, इसलिए बच्चे और बदमाश होते जा रहे हैं, सर पे बैठ रहे, है कि नहीं? ठीक है कि नहीं दीपांशु?
No, sir.
ठीक है. So we were discussing, हाँ, so that was our condition I was telling, right? So I just remember one time one boy, he had done some mischief in the class. So what he did, he called that boy in front of the class, okay, and he called all the classmates, right? सभी classmates को बुलाया, and he told that every one of you slap this boy. Okay. So each and every student he slapped. Suck. And by the end, 30-40 students, and he's become so red. Right. आपको तो वैसा कुछ नहीं ना, वैसा कुछ नहीं करना पड़ता ना आपको, मस्त बैठे हो स्क्रीन के सामने, फिर भी शांत नहीं बैठते, ठीक है? वो जमाने में था, अभी नहीं. That's not right. Yeah, correct. Yes, I was telling that how the conditions were in the previous ages. ठीक है? Okay, so that's what I mean. If you don't get punishment, you again keep on repeating the same mistake. Correct, na? Okay, fine. So we'll make Ayan only the principal, right? Okay. So I was telling about sonority. अरे कितना चैट भेजते हो, मैं बात कम कर रहा हूँ और आपका चैट ही ज्यादा दिख रहा है. ओगड़े मैम कौन है? फाइन, अभी शांत बैठो, अभी इधर ये मुंह चुप बैठा तो इधर चालू हो जाता है चैट में टाइम पास, चुप बैठ ही नहीं सकते तुम लोग. अब मैं एक भी चैट नहीं देखने वाला, ठीक है? जो बोलना है वो बोलो. इफ यू वांट टू स्पीक समथिंग, यू रेज हैंड, मुझे दिखेगा. चैट में अभी देखने नहीं वाला. यस. So I was telling about sonority, है ना? So what is sonority? Metal that your school bell is made up of, right? So metal serves, that means sonority means they will produce some sound on striking. If you strike them, they will produce sound, just like your tongs are there at home, जिससे आप चपाती को उल्टा पुल्टा करते हो, देखो tongs को आप जिस डालोगे वैसा टंग, करेक्ट ना? ऐसा आवाज आता है ना, right? And these guitars also, correct, strings, correct, they also are based on the same concept, correct? मुझे नहीं आता सिंगिंग, राइट? ठीक है, तो जो भी है गिटार आवाज करता है. बोलो.
सर ऐसे तो सारे मेटल्स आवाज करते हैं एकमेकान पर ऐसे, तो फिर उनके एग्जांपल्स ऐसे कैसे दे दिए उन्होंने?
क्या 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 ये क्या? नहीं नहीं, he is not telling about,
सारे में सर,
he is not telling about metals, he is telling about instruments. कहाँ देखते हो आप ऐसा एग्जांपल जहाँ आपको दिख के आता है? तो वो बेल में दिखता है, correct? यहाँ पर मेटल का एग्जांपल नहीं दिया है कहीं, यहाँ पर ओनली ही इज गिविंग अबाउट द इंस्ट्रूमेंट व्हिच इज मेकिंग दैट काइंड ऑफ साउंड, एंड दैट इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज मेड अप ऑफ मेटल. ओके, समझे क्या? Polo.
Sir, is guitar string made of metal? Sir, which metal?
Which metal? I'm not sure, but maybe copper, I guess. Not sure. We'll have to check. Guitar.
Yes, sir, because copper is ductile also.
Yeah. So we'll have to check from which metal. Correct. We'll just check it out. कहाँ से बनता है? Yeah, it's basically they are made from alloys, brass or steel, something like that. Right? Okay. Yeah, steel, mainly steel they use. Guitars are made from steel. Yes.
Sir, are all metals sonorous?
Yes, almost. Need not all. Mercury you cannot expect to be sonorous. It's liquid in nature. Correct. Understanding point. So not all. Some would be there. जैसे potassium, sodium. Correct ना? Potassium को चाकू से काट सकते हो तो वो sonorous नहीं है. Correct. Getting a point? So which are hard and which could make sound like that. Okay. Getting a point. So like that. So not all metals are sonorous. Okay. Okay. So high density metal generally जो रहते हैं ना वो ऐसा प्रॉपर्टी शो करेंगे. लो डेंसिटी वाले नहीं शो करेंगे, जैसे सोडियम पोटेशियम वो नहीं शो करेंगे. हाई डेंसिटी वाले रहते हैं वो ऐसा शो कर सकते हैं. ओके. Who else is there now? Yes, पलाश बोलो. किधर है पलाश? दिख नहीं रहा.
Sir, is iron filix sonorous?
आयन क्या?
Filix.
हाँ, राइट. आयन फिलिंग दे आर सोनरस, राइट. लेकिन वो छोटा है अभी, उसको बड़े इसमें लोगे तो आवाज करेगा. छोटे उसको का आवाज आएगा, उसको टंग में ऐसे थोड़ी आवाज आएगा. डिपेंड करता है साइज भी कितना है. करेक्ट ना? समझ में आई मेरी बात? डिपेंड्स ऑन द साइज आल्सो. ओके. यस. अने
सर जो मेटल्स हार्ड होते हैं वही सोनोरस होते हैं क्या?
करेक्ट. अभी सोडियम को तो आप काट सकते हो चाकू से, उसको वो सोनोरस नहीं है ना. समझ में आई मेरी बात? वो सोनोरस नहीं रहता है. दीपांशु.
Sir, is tungsten sonorous?
Is a tungsten sonorous? Yes, I would like to throw the question on the audience. क्या लगता है बाकी लोगों को?
Sir, actually, I think half. Sir, I think half.
Correct. It is. Anyone would like to answer from the assembly?
Sir, actually, I think sonorous.
Yeah, it is sonorous. Right. And that's the reason why उसको electric bulb में इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. Correct, huh? It's used in electric bulbs because it is sonorous. Okay.
Sir, what is the relationship between light bulbs and sonorous?
Yeah, not exactly, but yes, it has that property. It has that metallic property, no? Which allows it to correct. Sometimes it vibrates, right? It will vibrate, correct?
Yes, sir.
So sonority means that it may not produce sound, but it may vibrate like that. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Nothing related to sound as such.
Sir, in headphones or earphones, is there any like sonorous metal?
Earphones, huh? Maybe. I'm not sure. But if it's copper is there, then it could be.
Sir, actually there is copper, but how can it how can it send sound through it?
Sound comes through wire, na? This wire will
Sir, so it should be very weaker, right? Like because it's traveling a long way.
right, exactly, correct. But it depends again on the properties. Hmm. Okay, it
Okay,
may be
sir.
there, but not necessarily. It depends on the size also. करेक्ट ना, और उसका कैसा है, बस अब कॉपर वायर को इसमें लगा दे तो ऐसे अपने आप थोड़ी आवाज करने वाले हो, समझ में आई मेरी बात? You just place copper wire, it just going to make some sound. It's not going to make sound, right? कॉपर वायर से आवाज भी करना तो उसको दो इसमें आपको ये करना पड़ता है, जैसे गिटार का है, दो एजेस में उसको फिक्स कर दो और तब आप हिलाओगे तब ऐसा आवाज आएगा. नॉट एवरीवेयर साउंड में कम. ओके, लाइक दैट. यस.
Sir, is lithium hard metal or soft metal?
Soft. Lithium is soft. Correct. Just like it's they are grouped together with sodium and potassium. No? Lithium is soft. Correct. Okay. Lithium is soft, sodium soft, potassium soft. ठीक है, समझ में आई मेरी बात? यस.
सर अगर हेडफोन्स में वो जो कॉपर होगा ना तो उनकी वायर कैसे ऐसे राउंडेड शेप में आती है ना, सिलेंड्रिकल शेप में, पर कौन सी को तो ऐसे फ्लैट आती है, तो उसमें कॉपर डक्टाइल करके डाला है, क्योंकि अगर वायर डालेंगे तो फ्लैट कैसा आएगा?
नहीं, फ्लैट कहाँ रहता है, वो ऐसे रहता है ना, सिलेंड्रिकल मतलब एक.
सर ये देखो मेरा फ्लैट ही है ना.
फ्लैट है बाबा, लेकिन उसमें वायर तो है ना, ऐसा वायर के स्ट्रिप्स है. करेक्ट. तो फ्लैट भी बनता है और ये सर्कुलर बनता है, लेकिन उसके अंदर का डिस्टेंस बहुत कम है, समझ में आएगा? तो छोटा सा वायर का स्ट्रीम है, तो इवन इफ यू मेक इट फ्लैट, वायर तो वैसे ही रहेगा अंदर, या थोड़ा सर्कुलर बना तो वायर तो वैसे ही रहेगा. करेक्ट. आओ एक्सटर्नल शेप पे मत जाओ, इंटरनली इट इज दैट सिलेंड्रिकल ओनली. ओके, दिख रहा है फ्लैट क्योंकि अंदर का उसका साइज बहुत ही छोटा है, इसलिए उसको फ्लैट कर सकते हैं. समझ में आई मेरी बात? इट इज लाइक दैट. अंडरस्टूड?
सर व्हाई आर यू अनम्यूटिंग मी अगेन?
Oh. Because you had asked question, I had unmuted whether you understood or not. Like that. I'll throw you out now. Dipanshu, Anay, Palash. Dipanshu, Anay and Palash. I'll throw you out of the class. Okay. Stop this nonsense. Okay. If you don't stop now, stop this chatting. I'll start chatting with your parents on WhatsApp. Okay. I have all of their numbers. So I'll start chatting right away. Your son is very glorious. Should I do that? In class, what all things is doing? लेकिन आने करना चाहिए ना वैसा, बराबर कि नहीं? अब करो, आप कुछ बोलो. अब सब लोग शांत बैठ गए. ठीक है, ये हो गया क्या लिख के सबका? Okay, so when you hit it, it will make sound. Okay. Write this down. Any other question anyone wants to ask? दीपांशु ने तो अपना वीडियो बंद कर दिया ताकि कुछ दिखे ना क्या चल रहा है एक्सप्रेशन.
Sir, video issue.
Okay, fine. Okay, so next we'll move on to, ठीक है? We'll move on to next. Any guess which would be the next? Yes, Anirudh Tawargiri. Anirudh Tawargiri. अनिरुद्ध हो कि नहीं? ये सो गए? अंजीश, अंजीश, मुझे ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है तुम मार्स के ऊपर क्यों चले गए? ओके, फाइन, राइट. Yes, Anirudh. Now you can unmute, whatever you want to do. Expanding and non-expanding. Okay, fine. Okay, let's see the next. Next properties are hardness and softness. Correct. So metals are generally hard in nature. Correct. Example: iron, copper, gold, and etc. Correct. So why this hathoda is kept here? Anyone wants to say something? hathoda क्यों रखा है यहाँ पर?
It is a hard.
Okay, hathoda is hard. Okay, right.
Sir, because the metal attached on the top of that hammer, that is really hard.
Ah, right. That metal is hard. That's why it's kept there. And why gold is kept down there?
Sir,
Sir,
gold
because
is soft.
Oh, really? Gold is soft.
Gold is very hard.
Oh, I saw
Arey, natural gold
It
is
is
soft. The
soft.
hard gold with
Gold
the
is
copper
soft.
is mixed.
hard
Then
gold
it
is
become
mixed
hard.
with the copper.
Yes.
It's an alloy.
Naturally gold is really soft.
Natural gold. Soft.
हाँ हाँ बोलो. गोल्ड इज सॉफ्ट क्या नेचुरली?
Yes, sir.
पक्का?
Yes, sir. Gold is
Sir,
soft.
actually मेरी मम्मा बोलती है.
Okay.
Sir, in history it was not used to make jewelry and all because it was very soft.
Yes, sir.
Right. Correct. So it's
Later
soft.
it was used.
So you can just
When
cover
they
it.
learned to mix metals, that time gold was used.
Yes,
When the
yes,
bronze.
करेक्ट. तो गोल्ड भी क्या है? मिलावटी है. सब कुछ मिलावटी है ना. आजकल कुछ प्योर नहीं मिलता, सब मिलावट में मिलता है ना. प्योर गोल्ड भी आपको मिलेगा नहीं, राइट. मिलावटी मिलेगा, भले वो प्योर के नाम से हो. करेक्ट ना. So very difficult to get.
Sir, pure gold भी मिलता है.
हाँ, right. You get it, but quite rare. Nowadays, getting pure milk also it's so difficult. Right?
No, sir. If we contact a Goshala, they give us pure milk. We get it every day.
Right, that is there. You can get from Goshala.
Sir, and if you want to get pure gold, it's too costly because now also the Milavati wala gold is so there.
Right. मिलावटी वाला ही costly.
Nobody will take it.
Correct ना?
Milk that they pull out from the cow, from like the fresh milk, that is very hot because the cow's body is very hot.
Yeah, right.
So
Anything inside the body is hot only. Correct ना? Original milk is that also is hot. Correct. You know that the calf eats only a little portion of the milk. You know that the calf can drink. It cannot drink all the milk. Only a little portion it
Yes,
milk.
sir.
If it drinks more than that, that is also dangerous for that calf.
It will suffer from obesity.
One place I heard it will die.
Diseases.
Yes. Okay. So nowadays getting pure things is very difficult. Even pure ghee, milk, it's very. Those people also, they put a lot of water. They will put cream inside that milk. Right? And the packet wala milk, so it's everything they have removed from that. सब important ingredients उसमें से निकाल लेते हैं, साई निकाल लेते हैं, सब कुछ निकाल लेते हैं उसमें से पैकेट वाला.
सर घी का कुछ
Sir,
नहीं, घी तो
lot
घर में ही
of
बना लेते
lot
हैं,
of
कभी बाहर का घी
quantity of
लाते ही
milk is
नहीं है।
adulterated.
बस
Yeah.
अगर लड्डू बनाने हो तो लाते हैं, नहीं तो घर का ही घी चलता है यहाँ।
Correct.
मम्मा
Correct.
बनाती है घर पे घी,
That is very nice.
उसकी स्मेल बहुत गंदी है।
हाँ सर
Correct. So you get
देखा भी नहीं है।
क्या हुआ?
कुछ नहीं।
कौन बोल रहा था? आने
मैंने
क्या?
बोला कि मैंने कभी वो देखा ही नहीं है।
ठीक है. Yes. So pure things very difficult. Okay. Right. Ghee initially while making smell would be very bad. Right. But final thing you get is what? You get is very sweet
Sweet.
ghee. Correct. So everyone likes to take cow milk. Cow ghee.
Yes.
So similarly, what lesson we can take from that is all of your students, and if you work hard now in your studies, correct? It's like that ghee smell. We don't want to do it, but still we do it, right? And once you get the result, it's very sweet. Correct? Yes or no?
Sir, ghee is not sweet, but yes, sir.
Sweet in the
Yes,
sense
certainly.
that unique taste which it has. Correct? No?
Yes, sweet.
आपल्या मेहनतचं आपल्याला मीठं फळ मिळतं.
So you should study hard. Everyone should get about 90. Correct? No? Yes or no?
Sir, I almost got 90.
Almost got 90.
Sir,
हाँ बोलो.
sir, is
बोलो.
there any metal which is brittle?
मैंने बताया था ना पिछली बार.
Sir, brittle you did not tell, sir.
Really? Check. I had told you.
Brittle, I don't remember, sir. Brittle.
Yes sir, you had told.
I had told, no? Correct.
What was that metal?
I had told something.
Sir, yes, sir, you were told one metal is brittle. Sir, was it copper?
How can it be
Copper.
copper? Copper is one of the hardest metals.
No,
One
no.
of the hardest metals. Actually, iron is the hardest.
He said one of the hardest now.
I said iron is the hardest.
So zinc is brittle. Okay.
Sir, there was a question in the last quiz
Okay.
like
Right.
that.
Correct. So zinc is brittle
The
in nature.
answer was zinc.
Okay.
Dog is barking.
There was.
So generally metals are hard, but sodium and potassium, they are soft. And you can easily cut it by knife. You know that? You know this?
Sir, I didn't know that.
You can cut sodium and potassium with a knife also. Can
Huh?
you cut this hammer with a knife?
No, not at all, sir.
No,
Sir,
no.
the
No,
ham-
sir.
sir, the knife will only break.
Knife
Yes,
will
the-
The knife will not break because the hammer is flat.
Well, it will get dented or something.
Yes,
Like it
yes.
will get
Yes.
twisted.
Sometimes some vegetables are so
It
hard.
will
that
get
you
blunt.
Some vegetables are so hard, sometimes the knife only gets correct tilted. It will not break only. Correct? Yes, so you can cut sodium and potassium by what? By knife. It is so soft.
The knife.
Showing
No.
what you use.
So you can see
So diamond.
uh,
So diamond is also hard, right?
diamond is hardest substance.
That is a
It
diamond
is
is the
substance present on Earth.
Diamond is the most.
No, there are other. A diamond is the hardest natural substance on the earth. There are
One.
other man-made
One of them.
substances. No,
One of them.
strongest.
Okay, fine.
Diamond is a gemstone, not a metal. So.
Did I even say that?
Yes.
फाइन डायमंड वो नॉन मेटल में आएगा, ठीक है आगे बढ़ेंगे हम नॉन मेटल में। अभी शांत बैठो सब लोग। तो मैं क्या बोल रहा था, किस पे थे हम लोग? हाँ राइट, सो इट विल गेट कट। सो यू सी अ लॉट ऑफ वैरायटीज देयर इन
Brittle.
metals properties, lot of variety is there, correct? Sodium potassium you can cut with knife. Can you make a bridge of sodium potassium?
No,
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 sir.
sir.
No, sir. Sir, it is made of iron
It is
and
made of iron,
other alloys.
correct?
Easily break.
Sir, it will easily break.
cannot just
Correct.
go in Netherlands.
Very easily.
तो इससे क्या सीखते हैं आप कि कोई भी मेटल कहीं पे भी इस्तेमाल नहीं कर सकते, सबका प्रॉपर्टी
नहीं
अलग
कर
अलग,
सकते,
करेक्ट ना?
पर वो अच्छा दिखेगा।
Sir, if we
Sir,
take a good conductor of heat, then the bridge will heat up very much.
Yes, yes, correct.
हाँ,
Yeah, right. That's how it is. Okay. We'll just have a look at one video.
Sir, one class had shown us how the Statue of Liberty rusted. It was so
no. Only in the first chapter, matter and material.
sorry.
Correct.
So how did it exactly turn W?
How did it exactly?
Turn the bluish color, bluish green.
Because of that rusting, na? Means it had reaction with it.
Interested, na?
It had a reaction.
Normally, it turns brown, right? Means dark.
Copper will turn
It's
green.
green
First
also.
Liberty was
Copper
first
will
made of
turn
copper.
green.
It was
Copper
brownish.
will turn green.
First it was brown, then it become green.
No. First it was white, na? I think first it was white.
No, sir. Sir, before it is very shiny and goldish,
White.
like shiny and brown, and it's shown
Copper, sir.
something like that.
So, this color.
Like,
Now it is.
yeah, it looked like that only. That like.
Ah, yes,
Now
yes,
it is green
yes.
in color. Okay. Now it is green in color.
It can break anytime, na?
Correct. Na?
There is so much.
Generally, our
of-
Yes,
iron
sir,
that
I
is some
searched.
corrosive to
Sir, I
It is
searched
going-
on Google. It was brownish, like copper color. Then it turned green.
I just showing you video where you can cut sodium.
तांब्यासारखं तांब्या. Sir, which video?
Just a minute.
Yes, sir, we can see. सर वो किसका टुकड़ा है?
देखो ना वीडियो में।
लाइम है क्या? लाइम है?
Sodium.
It's hard to cut.
No, that's not sodium. Inside that is there. Sodium.
It needs this much strength.
No,
Gaining.
that inside thing is sodium. कुछ गड़बड़ कर रहा है ये, कुछ बोल नहीं रहा है आदमी।
इतना पावर लगता है?
नहीं, कुछ गड़बड़ कर रहा है ये आदमी। रुको मैं आपको कुछ और दिखाता हूँ।
ओए कितना इजीली कट हो गया वो सोडियम.
Sir, what is that outer material called?
That is, I think, I'm not
Lime.
sure what he's using.
Sodium something.
It is lime.
Sodium carbonate?
Eh?
No.
Yeah, that could be lime.
It could be lime.
Why are you so interested in that?
Lime or talcum powder.
talcum powder or talc?
We'll go down the column on the periodic table in group 1 and look at sodium. Like the lithium, the sodium is stored in a mineral oil to minimize reaction with the oxygen in the air. If we remove a piece of sodium metal, we notice that it's also coated over with an oxide coating. Group 1 metals become softer as you go down the column. The sodium is much easier to cut than the lithium. As we cut off the oxide layer, we can see the shiny metal underneath. It coats over very rapidly with a layer of oxide. The sodium is a metal and is an excellent conductor of electricity. If we take a piece of the sodium metal and add it to water, we notice a much more rapid reaction with the water. Like lithium, the sodium is less dense than water and floats. The metal moves across the surface, being pushed by the hydrogen gas that is produced. As you go down the column with group 1 metals, the melting point of the metal decreases. The reaction is very exothermic, which causes the sodium metal to melt. The metal contracts into a very compact spherical
वो
form.
पूरा मेल्ट हो गया वो बहुत
We can
heat
again
ऐसे
test
release होता है वहाँ पर
that hydrogen gas is being produced by this single displacement reaction
lot of heat is given
by
out.
trapping the gas and testing its flammability.
Did the sodium evaporate?
We can test for the fact that we produce
क्या बोल रहे हो?
Did the sodium evaporate?
Sodium, it melted. It melted. Okay,
It heated and melted.
heated and melted. So exothermic. So much heat is released.
Now, why are you taking on the medal?
sodium hydroxide.
Sorry.
क्या? What happened?
Sir, you were speaking in the middle of the video. I
Oh,
couldn't hear what you were saying.
okay.
Side by adding phenolphthalein.
Okay, so that is done. वो अभी कुछ extra चीज
Phenolphthalein
कर रहा है.
turns a purple
ठीक है, इसका जरूरत नहीं है हमको. You understood ना?
Yes, sir.
Sir, what
Yes,
did he say?
sir.
Sir, did he say naphthalene?
It's naphthalene.
No,
Sir, can you show lithium? Sir, can you show lithium?
Lithium breaking क्या?
Sir.
We'll have to check whether.
No, sir, I want to see I want to see lithium. How is it?
Sir, this is sodium.
Right.
Yes, sir. I do want to see.
We'll have to check where it is lithium.
For 1 second, I will search.
Sir, lithiums are little bit like this.
Sir, there is lithium ion battery.
Yes, batteries are made. Lithium is used.
I don't know what is battery.
Sir, lithium, it looks kind of like iron.
Sir, I found the lithium video. So sir, search lithium and then the second video will be there.
Yeah, that's there.
Then you can continue.
Okay, something I'll show you.
Sir, if you are okay, sir.
Sir, there is a video of life science. It is, what is lithium?
Lithium is the first group in the periodic table of chemical elements. Except for the smallest atomic mass, lithium has the lowest density of all metals, which is nearly 2 times lower than that of water. In appearance, lithium represents a shiny metal, which can be cut with a knife, but it will be required to exert sufficient force to achieve that. Lithium rapidly oxidizes in air, and while that is happening, it's being covered with a layer of oxides, carbonates, and lithium nitride black coating, because this is that can reaction kerosene, However, due to its low density, it will float on its surface. Now, shall we look at some of the chemical properties of lithium? A piece of lithium reacts rather calmly with water, forming hydrogen and lithium hydroxide. If you ignite the released hydrogen, the flames will turn beautifully red due to lithium ions. However, if we take lithium in the shape of thin lithium foil, which is used in lithium batteries, by the way, that will ignite and explode upon reaction with water, which is very
Getting my point? So this reaction is very, very explosive.
Yes.
Is it?
It can be used in atom bombs also.
Atom bombs.
Not that much are there.
Sir,
Not
Swasti Gayakwad is showing Li.
what she's doing.
Like,
Okay.
Periodic
lithium.
table.
Sir, she is showing the periodic table. Lithium is third on that.
Okay, right. Lithium is third.
second.
You know, if I take this much sodium and if I throw it in water, what will happen?
Sir, your video is paused.
No.
Sir, your video was paused. We couldn't hear you.
Okay, now you are able to hear.
No.
Yes.
So I was telling that if I take this much sodium and if I throw in water, what will happen?
Sir, it will melt.
Sir, it will melt.
Only it will melt.
It will burn.
It will burn. Okay. Will it
Sir,
blast?
can you give break?
Yes. Will it blast or
Sir,
no?
lithium in tin foil, it will blast.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, means type of blast only.
It will
Can
blast.
happen.
Correct, no? Yeah, it will form
Yes.
a blast. Correct.
Yes.
So I'm not able to find that. This one we'll see and then we'll take a break, okay? So this is lithium now going into the water. No, not lithium, sodium, sorry.
Okay.
Log it. I'm recording it. Wants to throw it in. Oh, Trevor. I do. I will. Here, give me the glove. All right, I'm gonna just keep. Oh, explosion! I need a slow motion vid. Hold on. Wait. We are recording. Wait. You want me to throw it real far? Hold on. Wait. Can I throw it real far or no? This is sodium. That's fine. That way?
The sodium, huh?
Oh. I got scared.
See how dangerous.
So much pollution. In just a piece of sodium.
Kawasaki bomb.
Such a pollution in just a piece of sodium.
Sir, that was like a Nagasaki bomb.
Yes. I got scared.
If we put a sodium bomb in water, then what will happen?
Okay,
It
fine.
will explode everything near it. And let's say half a kilometer radius.
Okay. So we'll take break now. 5 minutes break.
Okay, sir.
You can. Don't show your tongue like monkey.
Hello, is anybody except Ayang there?
No.
Okay.
Sir, are you there?
Hello, Adit.
Hello, Adit. Adit.
Hi.
Hi. No, I think it's just Bluetooth to Ayang's, headphones.
I'm eating nasta. Poha. Palash, why do you change your...
It looks cool.
अनय तू नाचतो काय समोर
पोहा खातोय पोहा.
नाचतो ना कसं असं करू
पोहा मध्ये कार्बोहायड्रेट असतात ना, पोहा खाऊन नाचतोय.
बैल डान्स
The Anna dance, very new.
Nice dance. The Ghana, that song is Chuppa Pais, Chuppa Pais, Chuppa Pais.
Best dance ever. Sure is.
Ayan, where did Adit went? Adit कुठे गेलेला?
आजीच्या घरी गेलेला तो
अच्छा, बॅड लक आहे तुझा.
काय वाढलं की
एवढ्या लवकर आला पण तो?
तो माझ्यासारखं का नाही उठत
आज येईल ना तो खालती?
हो बहुतेक
ओके.
Ayan, your favorite singers?
It's not my favorite. I just listened to 2 or 3 songs. What is your
That
problem,
only.
Anay?
You see the
What is
dance.
my problem, Anay?
Which singers?
Yes.
The ones
BTS.
behind me?
Yes. Yes, yes.
Oh.
I'm not like a crazy fan or anything.
Yeah, but I like Blackpink more than BTS.
Who did you call crazy?
You only now.
How dare you?
That only.
आज तुला बघतो खालती येऊन.
We are not afraid of you, noobs.
Who are you noobs?
You are nobody.
I'm
Extra 20
using
minutes of break.
Okay. Anna is eating poha like this.
I'm eating healthy food. Ayan is eating chocolate.
Poha is not healthy.
Poha is healthy. Ayan is
No.
little bit.
अजिबात नाही. You know what poha has?
हे healthy असतं.
Carbohydrates. Noobs.
Healthy is healthy.
Poha is not healthy.
Poha is healthy.
It is
Poha
rice
is
and
Poha
potatoes.
Is
It is rice with mustard, coriander,
केवढा
and
healthy आहे. पोहे खूप healthy
onions
असतं.
inside it, like on it, with top for
हा,
whatever
ते
it's
तू
called.
आता बोलू शकतो कारण मी घरात
Sir, Palash is saying that poha is not healthy.
It's very difficult to digest.
See?
Sir, that is one thing, but because it's like less
it is healthy,
cooked
na?
rice. It is less cooked rice.
It is healthy.
Sir, it is easy to digest.
No. Lot of oil
No,
is
no, no, it's not easy to digest.
lot of oil
My
is there.
stomach hurts.
Lot of
I
carbo.
think my mother makes a different kind of food. It's really soft and without more oil and really easy to digest. I don't know what.
Even if it's soft, still it
Yes,
is very,
sir. In the pohas, some people put hinga. That's why it is easy to digest.
okay,
That
fine. That all of you will discuss now in biology lecture. Now we'll come back to our point. Okay. What
Oh,
is easy to
okay,
digest?
sir.
We discuss with Anu ma'am. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so we just saw hardness and softness. We saw malleability, correct? Yeah, melting and boiling point. So metals have what?
Sir, metals boil.
Sir, who is Viraj R? Sir, it is saying Viraj R's personal meeting room.
Where is he?
Huh? Sir, if I check this,
Yes, sir.
if I check the info, it is showing Viraj R's personal meeting room.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Not an issue. Okay. Actually, it's on his name. Okay. Don't worry. Yeah. I thought someone came inside the meeting.
Sir, do metals boil?
Boil in the sense they melt. So boiling point, matlab, yeah, that's what melting and boiling point. So some
Sir,
can
mercury boils, na? Because
Yes, mercury boils.
some can boil, not all. Matlab, even if you have to boil, you have to really have to have a very high, correct, temperature and pressure like that.
Sir, is gallium a liquid metal?
Right. Gallium is liquid metal. Okay.
Sir, mercury can be solidified also, right? Mercury, it can be solidified, solidified.
If you reduce its temperature, then
Mercury
it
is
will
liquid
solidify.
at room.
If you reduce its temperature, it will solidify. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
I was telling that. क्या हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे थे? Yeah, yes.
Sir, we studied expansion and contraction.
Expansion
Like it is a part of that.
किसी और टॉपिक में नहीं करना. Okay. So yes.
Cartwheel, train track. I almost said rain track.
That was in some other chapter, correct? No? Not in this chapter.
Yes, sir, but it's kind of like an example of that. Sir, there is a giant white rectangle, like the screen, it is only half visible.
Yes, sir. Sir, when you change the screen, now it got stuck.
Sir, please shift to the.
So that's okay.
Okay. Now it's visible properly.
Yes.
So yes.
Sir, it keeps on blurring in the middle.
Is it? It will go away. It will go away.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
It's not blurry.
So generally metals have what? High melting and boiling points. Now what are the exceptions? Exceptions are your mercury, gallium, sodium, and potassium. Right? They are your exceptions. Right? Their melting and boiling points are very less. So you note down this: mercury, gallium, sodium, and potassium. सब लोग लिखो फटाफट अपनी notebook में. They are exceptions. इनका boiling point, melting
Sir,
point.
can you send this sentence in
I have written this already.
Sir, I've written kabka.
Okay,
Sir,
fine.
can you tell the sentence again?
Yes, so I was telling that generally they have high melting and boiling points. Who?
Sir, who metals? What metals?
Sodium, potassium. Okay, I'll have to select some different color, no white color I'll use. दिख रहा है आपको?
Yes, sir.
Sir, Hg means hydrogen क्या?
No, no.
Ga means
Sir,
gallium.
sorry.
Ga means gallium.
Mercury, then gallium, then sodium. Na is sodium, right?
हाँ, तो जिस ऑर्डर में नीचे के लिखा
हाँ, vitamin K is potassium.
है, जिस ऑर्डर में ऊपर का लिखा है उसी ऑर्डर में नीचे का भी है, ठीक है? मर्क्यूरी, गैलियम, सोडियम, पोटेशियम.
Sir, potassium is a vitamin and a mineral.
Potassium is what? It is
K
a
is a vitamin, potassium is a mineral.
potassium क्या? Mineral. It's present in our body. It's present in our body. It has a lot of nutrient values. Okay.
Sir, it helps of clotting the blood.
Right. Very essential in our body. Done with this writing?
Sir, I read that gallium is solid at room temperature, but liquid at 85 degree Fahrenheit. 30 degrees.
85 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट मतलब क्या है? $85 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट मतलब क्या? समझे? Almost close to room temperature.
Sir,
no?
Hg is mercury, right?
Yes.
Sir, so it is respectively like Hg is mercury, G is gallium, like that.
J is gallium. See, gallium का boiling point is around, melting point is somewhere around 29 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, मतलब रूम टेम्परेचर से थोड़ा ऊपर. गर्मियों के सीजन में वो लिक्विड रहेगा, ठीक है? अभी के सीजन में चल रहा है इधर तो क्या है 29 से कम ही है ना? करेक्ट. व्हाट इज करंट टेम्परेचर नाउ?
Sir, I don't know.
Current
Around 30.
Sir, it's 26 degrees Celsius.
26 degree.
26 डिग्री
26
सेंटीग्रेड.
degree Celsius.
तो अभी क्या होगा आपका गैलियम में जो वो सॉलिड रहेगा, ठीक है? लेकिन थोड़ा गर्मी बढ़ गया तो फिर से लिक्विड में जाएगा. 29 के ऊपर चले गया तो लिक्विड में चले जाएगा. ओके, समझे क्या घनश्याम?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm finished writing all.
Okay, fine.
Sir, almost finished.
Let's move on to next one.
Sir, you can change.
Sir, finish पक्का.
Pakka ka pakka.
Now these are all of metals, correct? Now we want to see for non-metals. Metals में कुछ बचा है क्या अपना? Metals कुछ बचा है? Sonority हो गया, hardness हो गया.
Sir, non-metals are metalloids.
Magnetism.
Okay. Now let's move on to non-metals. Write down this physical properties.
Magnetism.
क्या? Magnetism we are not required. Not required. Okay. Write these down. Physical properties of non-metals.
Sir, 1 second. Okay, sir, you can change.
Physical properties of non-metals. Okay.
Sir, we can change.
Yeah. So first property you write down. Malleability. Correct. What is this? Non-metals are not malleable, but they are brittle. Correct. They can break easily. है ना? Sulfur, phosphorus. Like you see, phosphorus दिख रहा है आपको साइड में, है ना?
Yeah, sir. Sir, it looks really like it looks a bit like amber.
क्या? Amber.
Amber.
Amber. Amber is orange, sir. Amber is orange.
Okay. तो कुछ मिट्टी जैसा दिख रहा है कि नहीं?
Yeah.
Right. So you can easily break it. They are not malleable. You cannot beat it. हाथों डाले के सल्फर के ऊपर मारोगे तो क्या होगा?
It will break, sir. Sir, if you look at it, then only it looks like it will break.
Yes. Correct, no? Like that.
Sir, some non-metals are malleable.
Can you give example?
No, sir. Sir, I forgot.
So generally, I think all non-metals are neither ductile nor malleable. कुछ भी नहीं शो करते, ductility और malleability नहीं शो करते. So they are not malleable. And you
Sir,
can
luster.
हाँ
Luster also 0.
what Easter
Luster.
हाँ luster also रहता है क्या? luster भी नहीं रहता.
Sir, they don't
They
have.
are coming to that point. एक एक करके डिस्कस करते, एक एक करके डिस्कस करते. ठीक है ना? We'll discuss one by one. Okay. Fine. Getting. Phosphorus, no, nothing is required to break it. Correct now? You can easily do it. Correct, but others, it takes a lot. Sulfur also you can break it. So malleability question नहीं. Next is your ductility. ये लिख लिया क्या सबने?
Yes, sir. We wrote. So we can start ductility.
Non-metals are not ductile. Right. Example in the sense just ऐसे दिया वो silicon boron ये क्या है?
Silicon and boron. Sir,
इसको
I've
आप
not ever seen boron.
राइट. तो कैसे किसी को भी ऐसा कर सकते हो कि आप वायर में तोड़ सकते हो, किसी को भी नहीं कर सकते, आप किसी को भी वायर में नहीं डाल सकते. That's why it is also what? They are not ductile. Okay, लिख लो इसको फटाफट.
So done, sir.
Done.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Sir, cement is also non-malleable and non-ductile, right?
Correct. You cannot break it into sheets. Correct.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Yes.
Yes.
So now let's see the next one. कौन सा the next था? Sonorous था ना? Next वाला.
Sire?
By mistake, I did it.
Okay.
Yes, ठीक है. तो क्या बोला? Sonorous. Non metals क्या रहते हैं? Non metals are not sonorous. That means it cannot produce when hit with a hammer. Produce sound है ना? इधर sound आना चाहिए, ठीक है? It cannot produce sound when hit with a hammer. Correct. तो ब्रोमीन को आप हैमर से मारोगे तो साउंड आएगा कि नहीं आएगा, लेकिन मेटल को आएगा. वो आपका घंटा रहता है स्कूल में, उसको मारोगे तो आएगा क्या आवाज? टंग आवाज है. लेकिन ब्रोमीन को मारोगे तो आएगा क्या आवाज? नहीं. समझे क्या? So they are not sonorous. So generally all the properties you are able to see, they are exactly opposite to that of the metals. Okay. समझ में आया क्या आपको?
Sir, fluorine is a very bad example because it is like obviously not so.
Correct.
Sir, fluorine is in our toothpaste, no?
Toothpaste?
Yes.
No. Maybe I'm
Yes.
not sure.
Sir, it is, sir, it is.
It is used for making teeth stronger.
Right. Should we move ahead now? Done with this?
Done, sir.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir. Sir, wait
Done,
a minute.
sir.
Sir, you can change the slide to the next slide. Sir, I suppose it might be lustrous or density or conductor of heat and electricity.
Amazing. You are very
Sir, can
intelligent.
you take little bit back? I was writing examples.
Fast, you write.
You can change. You must
Sir, you can change.
Yeah. We're saying that non-metals generally have very, very low density. Right? Because they are not
Sir, it
hard, no? The density is less. So it's very simple. Non-metals का क्या रहेगा? Density will be very, very less. High density नहीं रहेगा उनका non-metals. They would show very less density. Correct? Okay. Write this down.
done, sir. Sir, now only luster and conductor of heat and electricity is left.
Melting point, boiling point,
Yes, sir, that is.
brittleness.
Sir, Minister.
Sir, and hardness and softness also.
Okay, right. Mostly that may not come in our discussion.
Sir, I missed.
Okay. So density बहुत कम रहता है. Why? Because bonding is also weak in them. You know, because of that. Okay. Yes.
Melting
Right.
and boiling point.
Sir, fluoride is not used in a toothpaste. Fluoride is used in a toothpaste. I got confused.
Yes.
Sir.
Right. So they are having what you can see is that non-metals generally have correct low melting and boiling point. Right. इसका मतलब क्या है? Low melting point मतलब that means most of them will be in the gaseous form only. Correct. Right. ज़्यादातर केस में फॉर्म में पाए जाएंगे वो गैसियस फॉर्म में पाए जाएंगे. They have low melting and boiling point. Correct, ना? Yes or no?
Yes.
Example is fluorine and bromine. You know.
Sir, why is the example always fluorine and bromine?
You can put. कहाँ दिखा आपको flow के?
Sir, is there a specific reason for that only to be example?
No. See here some different was there.
Is it their fault?
No. You can.
That only, sir. It's
हर
not
जगह
their
तो
fault
एक ही
that
जगह आया था ये example.
continuously they are being like
कहाँ
opposite of
कहीं?
metal.
एक ही बार आया वो इसके पहले. एक ही नहीं. एक ही बार आया कि नहीं?
हाँ सर.
उसको बड़ा चढ़ा के कह रहे हो तुम. तुम्हें बात का बतंगड़ करना उसको कहते हैं.
Then, sir, conductor of electricity, hardness and softness is left.
Okay.
Sir, lustrous.
Hardness and softness.
Dipensile stress बोल गया.
See?
Non-metals are generally soft. Just like examples are given here are carbon and phosphorus. Right? They would be soft. Chlorine. Correct? Any example you can take, not a problem. But generally, they would be soft.
Sir, my finger is paining from writing.
ऐसा बोल रहे हो जैसे बहुत लिख लिए, 2 लाइन तो लिख रहे हो.
Mine is not.
I'm getting cramps in my finger.
Mine is also not paining.
I think Ayan is overreacting. Correct, na?
No, sir.
Sir, finish writing.
Done.
Ditto. Now only 2 properties left. 31.
तो lustrous and
The conductor of heat and electricity. I keep on forgetting one of them.
lustrous and conductor of heat and
Bad,
electricity.
bad conductors of heat and electricity.
Okay, fine. Let's move ahead.
Metals are used because they have all of these properties.
Conductors of heat.
ये conductor of heat and electricity.
तो क्या है? अभी देखो बहुत आसान है. जनरली आपने सारे प्रॉपर्टीज जो थे वो क्या है? सारे के सारे ऑपोजिट्स ही है कि नहीं? All are opposites only, right? Almost. Correct, na?
Sir, my sentence is nearly right.
Okay. Generally, there will be only one exception is there. Who can tell? Who is a good conductor of electricity? Which non-metal?
Sir,
बोलो.
Iodine.
Lead is
क्या क्या?
Plastic. Plastic. Wood.
Other wood is conductor of heat.
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पूछ रहा मैं, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के बारे में.
Sir, rubber. No, rubber is bad. That's why.
Rubber is bad conductor.
Very bad conductor.
Yeah.
Helium.
नहीं. कौन है अच्छा गुड कंडक्टर?
Argon. Argon.
नहीं नहीं.
Arey, how argon?
Mine.
Random gases you are telling.
No.
Yes.
Arey, how can argon be a conductor of electricity? It is a gas.
Carbon is also a gas. It also has solid form.
Okay, fine. One exception is there, that is your.
glass.
No. एक एक्सेप्शन है आपका जो जिसका नाम है ग्राफाइट. ठीक है. ग्राफाइट इज अ गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट और ग्राफाइट इज मेड अप ऑफ कार्बन. ठीक है. तो सारे
Sir, graphite is not a good conductor of heat.
सॉरी
It is a very good conductor of heat.
Electricity आया.
Arey, then
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी.
Heat and electricity.
ग्राफाइट इज अ
heat
गुड
then
कंडक्टर
all
ऑफ
kitchen hay would.
Yes.
Correct. Graphite is a good conductor.
They're not good conductor of heat, of electricity.
Yeah, electricity.
Sorry,
Okay.
sir.
Sir, only one exception.
Yes. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity.
Only one discovered one.
Might be. Okay. So
So
diamond.
now only one property is left.
Diamond is a bad conductor and graphite is a good conductor. Correct, na?
Yes. Diamond is
Both are
very
made
bad.
up of carbon only.
Yes.
Yes.
Correct.
It rains diamonds and Saturn. Wow.
Yeah, you write this down.
Sir, what about lustrous?
They are not lustrous. No,
How does it come in exceptions?
no. Exceptional cases about conductivity. Graphite is saying, na, is non-metal which conducts electricity just like metals.
Sir, graphite is used in pencils.
I will never stick a graphite pen. I will never stick a pencil the wrong way round. Sorry, the right way round inside a socket.
Yeah, correct.
I will survive because wood is not that much of a good conductor. Graphite is a non-metal.
Wait.
What? So many?
Write down.
Sir, I'm writing.
Sir, I finished writing.
I have not. I'm on city.
Okay, now luster. Correct. Now iodine can be lustrous.
सर 2 मिनट में आपकी स्लाइड दाखवा ना इलेक्ट्रिकल
Second is. Sir, second is luster, right? Sir, please scroll down.
ठीक आहे. झालं का हे लिहून?
हो.
झालं सर.
Sir, many non-metals are lustrous, no? Except iodine. Many of them are lustrous.
Could be.
Yeah, because you showed the picture of graphite, that was also lustrous. Then if we see any normal thing, that also shines.
Yeah, the particular type of shine is required.
So diamond?
Yeah.
Diamond is lustrous.
Diamond is not
Yes,
a
sir.
metal nor a non-metal.
Only two non-metals are lustrous. That is diamond and iodine.
These are rock.
Okay. Diamond and iodine are they are lustrous.
Gemstone.
Sir, but what about the other gemstones, amethyst, topaz, and all that?
Topaz, ruby,
Right.
Amethyst,
Sapphire, emerald.
sapphire, emerald.
All that, sir. That is also lustrous.
Yeah, that can also be right.
Lapis. Lapis is
Fusin.
That is
Fusin.
also. Right.
Platypus. Right?
platypus.
Correct. So
What
that
is platinum metal?
Yeah, it's a metal. It's a metal.
metal, right?
No, I said lapis, not platypus.
I said platypus.
Sir, can you please change to the next one, whichever it is?
No.
Sir, please.
So why is it showing that Halloween like this evil pumpkins?
Yay,
Yay!
quiz!
Yay! Sir, what I will do then?
These pumpkins, they are 3 people. You know this?
Sir, should we join
Join करो ना. Pumpkin represents 3 people. Right? Dipanshu, Anay, and Ayan.
No, sir.
Sir, I have not joined yet. I have not joined yet, sir.
Sir, please don't.
Sir,
Sir,
can you please
why
start
are
the
you
quiz?
unmuting me?
Ayan didn't unmute. By
Yes,
mistake.
no,
Sir, 8 people are there. 8 people.
By mistake it happened.
It is showing 9. Now it's showing 29 or something.
It is
No,
showing
it's showing 10. It's showing 10. Now 11.
It is not coming only.
Very good. Just click on the link now.
Yes, I clicked. There is a white screen on my. Here
I
in
had
the
to click
Google.
5 times to join.
Huh?
me too.
Yes, me
Check your
too.
internet. Check your internet.
Okay, I am
people.
starting, okay?
Yes, my internet. Sir, wait, please. Yes, sir. Sir, wait. I'm joining.
Arey
It is
yaar.
loading.
The guy named Anay Pro is joining.
Okay, 3,
Sir, wait.
2, 1.
Sir, it will start showing 3, 2, 1.
Sir, 1 minute, it is loading. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You
Wait.
can start.
Am I there?
If it is showing waiting for players starting soon, then please start, sir.
Yeah.
If it is showing.
Okay, I'm starting.
Sir, wait. Sir, wait.
जिसको नहीं आ रहा है वो स्क्रीन पे देख के सॉल्व करो, ठीक है? मैंने स्क्रीन शेयर किया. I will start.
And please do not tell the answer.
3, 2, 1. जिसका भी ये रॉन्ग जाएगा उसको धुलाई पिटाई करूंगा मैं उसको, ठीक है? ये बाप रे, अभी तो डिस्कस किया बच्चों. कैसे करते हो, क्या करते हो, तुमको ही पता. हमने देखा था कलर, राइट? स्लाइड शो में अपने कलर देखा था. Good. ट्वेंटी के नीचे 30 के नीचे जिसका है उसको बहुत मेहनत करनी है, वो सम से चालू है, ठीक है, सम एलिमेंट से जैसे त्याग भगवान कचियूतपान कहीं रॉन्ग हुआ उसको बहुत मारना चाहिए. Okay, last chance. Anyone can become topper now.
Sir, Maya and Anjali's time is same.
So we can't
Sir,
see.
I was 1 mark behind here.
Sir, actually, I
know
got
that.
disconnected because of the light failure. So
I was in second
I was not
Sir,
able
I
to
was so-
join the link and
Sir, who is
meeting
Tejas? Sir, who is Tejas Shingade?
Yes, sir.
Sir, he's typing A B.
सर
Okay, okay.
Sir,
बोला.
सर वो कलर के क्वेश्चन थे ना वही हम मेरे गलत हो गई
कौन से questions?
Sir,
कलर के मेटल्स के
Sir, I made a very big mistake. Which of these is only lustrous non-metal? I accidentally wrote graphite instead of diamond.
Even me.
Okay, okay.
If I would have done that one correct, then I would have overtaken Sana or Omkar both.
sir, I got
If I would have done that.
disconnected because of light failure.
Okay,
So
okay,
I was not able to join the meeting and also the quiz.
I was so close.
Okay, no problem. Fine. We'll end now. ठीक है?
Sir, I
Yeah.
was first the whole quiz.
Yes, very good. Good performance.
Bye, sir.
Good, nice. You could maintain consistency. Okay, we'll end.
Bye, sir.
Yes, bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Okay, bye.